Hello everyone. I miss you so much. You know what? There's only one rule to getting what you want from life, and it's this. I know you heard about limiting beliefs, manifestation blockages, letting go, detachment, nervous system regulation, so on and so forth. These are not scam. It's completely true. Everything that's been said that you know is already the truth about it, but it is only on the surface level. That's why at the core everything is still the same, and that's why you feel stuck. That's why it feels like it's only difficult for you and not for anybody else. So I'm gonna make it very, very, very simple for you, if I can. After this video, what's gonna happen is this. You're gonna stop consuming, thinking, doubting, and questioning the system, because we're gonna erase doubt from your system. That's as simple as that. We're just gonna erase the doubt and you're gonna be free like a bird. Okay, so it goes like this. Let me ask you, if you had everything you wanted already, and let's say not just right now you got them all, but you've been having it for a while, okay? Would you still try to get it? Would you still question whether you can get it or not? Or would you ask yourself whether you deserve it or not? No to all of these questions. And there are so many other questions that I can ask you about this, but it's not important anymore. What is important is that you want these things because your core belief is that I am not enough, so that I am not deserving yet. To know for sure that I deserve and can get or got what I desire, I need to do X, Y, Z. So there are 3 problems about this assumption. First, the core belief is that I am not enough, so I don't deserve. Second, you are trying to do something to get what you want. So the core belief again, I don't have it. If you already believed that you are deserving it, there is no problem of you having it. Like, it's clear as the day and night. It's clear as the air you breathe. You don't question whether you're gonna get it or not. You just breathe because you know it's your birthright. Because you are just as you are. And the same thing goes. You were conditioned to believe for so many reasons that you are not enough and you need to deserve if you want to achieve, if you want to get. That's your core belief in anything and everything you want. So from that disbelief, actually, you don't believe you're enough, so it's a disbelief. So it's the absence of belief. So it's lack of belief. Basically, it's the frequency of lack. And that's what you get. That's the radiation, that's the frequency, that's your vibration. It's as simple as that. And so how do you go from here? Now, you don't need to do a lot of limiting beliefs work. No, not really. You don't need to do a lot of visualizations, scripting, whatever that technique you're trying to do. that you were conditioned to believe. It's none of that. You just need to believe that what you want, what you desire, you deserve. You are enough. That's why everybody is telling you act and feel and think as if you already have it. But it's on the surface level. To act as if you already have it, deep down you need to believe that you're worthy of it. You already deserve it. And to do that, you need proof. That's why you're looking at the 3D, you don't see any proofs, and you're like, I don't have it, I don't deserve it. Back to the core belief. You're reinforcing the same belief by looking at the 3D with the same lack mentality. That's cast the mindset. The loop, the negative feedback loop, is as simple as that. So don't seek your proof from the 3D, because you're not gonna see it anytime soon. Of course it's gonna take time, but it doesn't have to take too much time. You just need to believe, affirm to yourself, or whatever. Just feel it inside of your bones that I am enough, I am deserving, whatever it is, whatever you want, whatever you're trying to manifest. You are enough. You already have it. So your mind doesn't need proof anymore, because you know you're deserving. So you're not having any more doubts, because you already got it. So you don't see the lack in the 3D, because that's not what you believe. That's not who you are. That's not your reality anymore. Let's go this way. So just silence your ego, silence the mind, silence everything that is related to past and this 3D. Just ghost it, while believing that you are enough, you're worthy of it. It all comes down to worthiness. And to believe that you're worthy, you need to know that you're enough, and to know that you're enough, you need to affirm to yourself in everything you do without looking at the 3D. You drink water, I am enough. You do the work, I am enough. You go to the gym, I am perfect, more than enough. And you need to choose that reality again and again and again, while ignoring the current reality. That's all. No specific work for relationships, no specific work for money, or no specific techniques for anything. Just say, I am enough. I am enough. I am deserving. I already have it. I already have it. When you start doing that, everything shifts. Like, I have changed how I spoke to my clients. I have changed how much money I'm making. I have changed how I speak to people, how I react to situations, how I reframe my thoughts. Like, everything shifted by itself without me doing any work, literally. I just affirmed to myself that I am deserving it. It has no choice. It's already here. I already have it. There is no more point in me trying to prove to my mind that, hey, I deserve it. I don't really need to do anything, because if I already have it, there's no more work to do. I can start living my life, right? In peace, in that knowing. That's really all. I need to go now.